Hi techies, in this tutorial we are going to learn about two topics. The first topic, what is Django? Second topic, what is MVT and MVT architecture? Let's go to first topic. Django is a high-level Python web framework that encourages rapid development and clean, pragmatic design. It's free and open source. It will allow you to create applications or websites from an existing source instead of from scratch. Then what is web framework? A web framework is a collection of packages or modules which allow developers to write code for web applications. Just listen these definitions. I will explain with an example later. Then what is modules? A module can define functions, classes and variables. Then what is packages? A package contains group or collection of modules, but with a twist. Each package in Python is a dictionary which must contain a special file called __init__.py. Let's go to simple example for your better understanding. Here I am creating a new folder named as my package. Then I am creating a special file named as __init__.py file. It is a Python file. If you declare this file, it will consider as a package. After that, I am creating a model named as demo.py extension. Model is nothing but variables, functions and classes. And also creating a function along with model. Then I am creating a subfolder inside the my package folder. In this subfolder also have a Python file and model along with function. Once you create this package like this, you can use this package anywhere of your project. You can access this package using import mypackage.demo. By using this line of code, you can access functions or variables inside the demo module. If you want to access sub package, that also pretty easy by using import space mypackage.sub package. Now you can access subdemo module function. This is the concept of package and modules. Now let's move on to second topic. What is MVT and MVT architecture? The MVT stands for Model View Template. It is a software design pattern. It is a collection of three important components: model, view and template. The model helps to handle database and it is a data access layer which handles the data. The template is a presentation layer which handles user interface part completely. The view is used to execute the business logic and interact with a model to carry data and renders a template. This concept is similar to MVC, Model View Controller. Here, controller is view and view is template. Finally, we are move on to MVT architecture. As a developer have to fulfill client requirement to automate their work using an web application. For that, developer will follow one systematic architecture, that is MVT. Here you observe this diagrammatic flow. Then you got to know what is MVT architecture. Client sends request using URL like mentioned in diagram through web browser like Chrome and Firefox. Then Django will accept the request and it will send the request to URLs. Then URLs will check and verify the resource. If it is there, means will send that request to views. Then views will accept the request and interact with model. Then model can interact with database. If data is available, means it will get the data object and return back response to view. Again, view will accept the data and it will fetch the data to particular template. Finally, it will process the request and return that template back as a response. Here, template means front-end web technologies like HTML, JavaScript, etc. Why? Because browser understand only HTML and JavaScript.